Welcome everyone. Welcome to the first episode of the professional WordPress course for beginners. Thanks for joining and let's get started. In this episode, we will introduce WordPress. The content covered in this episode includes what is WordPress, the advantages of using WordPress, and the requirements for using WordPress. First, let's discuss what WordPress is. Developing a website can be quite challenging, often requiring significant effort in writing code. A website can be divided into two main parts, the front end and the back end. Each of these parts has different languages to work on. For example, to work on the front end, we need to learn the HTML language for structuring, the CSS language for styling, along with JavaScript libraries to develop the front-end design of the website, which includes defining the overall appearance, such as colors, fonts, backgrounds, and layouts for both desktop and mobile devices. This is about the front end only, but for the back end, we have to learn other programming languages such as PHP, Python, or any other. Along with database language, the back end is the part of a website or application that handles data storage, server logic, and communication between the user interface and the database. It is a crucial part of the website and requires diligent effort in writing code with high precision. Now, forget all of that, because WordPress is here to free us from the need to write all that code. Let me introduce you to some features of WordPress. WordPress doesn't require you to write any code. WordPress is a powerful, user-friendly content management system that makes website creation simple without needing to write any code. It uses ready-made themes and plugins to customize and add functionality, making it easy to build and manage your website. WordPress has a large community of developers who constantly work to improve it and add more plugins and ready-made themes. Once WordPress is on your hosting, you get your website with a control panel as a site manager through this panel. You can add any ready-made plugins to perform specific functions on your site. There are thousands of plugins in the WordPress repository. Most of them are free. There are also ready-made themes you can choose from. The theme is the overall appearance of the site for visitors. There is an excellent selection of free themes with great designs, colors, and fonts suitable for your site's layout. You'll be amazed at how easy WordPress is to use. In the upcoming episodes, you'll learn how to do all of this and more. Now, the requirements of WordPress. When it comes to running WordPress, you only need a hosting plan. Website hosting is your own space on the internet. Just like a piece of land you own where you will build your house. You will learn more about website hosting in the next episode, so don't worry. WordPress makes it easy, even in terms of requirements. In the next episode, we'll dive into how to get hosting and start installing WordPress to build your first site. Stay tuned for the next episode. See you soon. Peace.